Connectors are everything in electronics, but when Samtec decided to make the SEAM and SEAF series SEARAY connectors, they clearly made a connector that is everything. These connectors are like an everything bagel, supporting an open pin field array of up to 500 contacts with a 1.27mm pitch, up to 5,000 mating cycles, and a stacking height ranging from 7 to 18.5mm. But taking this extreme connector further, each contact supports up to 2.7 amps and can be used for both single-ended and differential signals, with a max operating frequency of 56 gigabits per second using PAM4. With a maximum operating voltage of 240 volts AC and 339 volts DC, low insertion force, and rugged edge rate contacts, these series have passed Samtec's severe environment testing that tests products beyond typical industry standards and specifications to provide performance confidence, not only for rugged mil-aero industries, but also for industrial, automotive, and medical applications.